You are in natural chaos. Hurricane Melissa, the beast of the Caribbean. Kingston, Jamaica. October 29, 2025. The streets are deserted. The sky turns green. Melissa gives no warning. There's no time. In just 36 hours, it goes from being a simple tropical depression to a Category 5 monster. Nearly 300 kilometers per hour. A record for Jamaica. It touches down near New Hope at 9 in the morning. The sound is deafening. Roofs fly like paper. Centuries-old trees are uprooted. The sea invades the streets with 6-meter waves. Black River disappears underwater. 90% of its roofs ripped off. 77% of the country in darkness. 25,000 people crammed into makeshift shelters praying to survive. 36 people don't make it. Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic. Entire families. $52 billion in destruction. But the numbers don't capture the terror. Mothers clutching their children as walls collapse. The elderly trapped in sagging roofs. Melissa continues her journey. Cuba. Bahamas. Bermuda. Leaving scars on every island. It's the third Category 5 alert of 2025. The year the Caribbean learned that climate change isn't the future. It's now. But Kingston is already rising. Because the Caribbean has survived worse. And it will survive this too. Subscribe to learn more about natural chaos.